How to make Snapchat account public from private. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for My Privacy and Data. Simply tap on it, and now in this particular interface you will be able to see who can view your story. So tap on the View My Story option you see there and set it to My Friends. Go back and tap on the Contact Me option you see there and then go ahead and set it to Friends and Contact. Further, tap on the Activity Indicator option you see there and then go ahead and enable the toggle button for Activity Indicator, as when this is enabled, others can see if you have been active on Snapchat recently or not. Additionally, tap on the comment settings option you see there and then go ahead and select the option for auto approve everyone option you see there. See if your account is public yet, and now go back to your Bitmoji and menu. Once you are in your menu, tap on the public profile option you see there and then go ahead and add in a lot of stories, spotlights, and insights in order to make interaction with the public in your account. Further, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for Show Public Story Replies option, and this will allow replies from followers on your public story. So this was about how you can make Snapchat account public from private. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.